If you're seeing the OneNote error that says content is not yet available, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This problem usually happens when the notebook hasn't fully synced, or when the device is still trying to load an outdated local version of the file. The good news is that you can often solve it very quickly by forcing OneNote to resync properly and then reopening the notebook in the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's get started. First, make sure your device is connected to a strong and stable internet network. A weak connection can cause OneNote to stop syncing properly, which often leads to missing content or that frustrating content not yet available message. If possible, switch to a reliable Wi-Fi connection and wait a few moments before moving on. Next, open OneNote on the original device where the notebook is already signed in and available. Find the notebook name, then right-click it. From the menu, select Sync this notebook now. If you're using OneNote on Windows, you can also press Shift and F9 to trigger a manual sync. This forces OneNote to upload and refresh the latest notebook data from the server. After that, keep the app open and active. Don't close it too early because the sync may still be running in the background. Watch the sync status icon carefully. You want to wait until it changes into a solid green checkmark, which tells you the notebook has fully synced and the content should now be properly available online. Once the first device has finished syncing, move to the second device where the issue is showing. In the sidebar, right-click the notebook name and choose Close this notebook. This step clears the current local copy, which may be outdated or partially loaded. Closing it helps OneNote forget the broken version so it can rebuild the notebook connection properly. Now return to your browser window where OneNote Web is already open. This part is important because the web version can help force a fresh notebook path from the server. At the top of the browser screen, click Open in Desktop app. When you do this, OneNote should launch the desktop client and pull a new, fully compiled download path directly from the server instead of using the old cached version. Once the desktop app opens, give it a little time to load everything fully. If the notebook was synced correctly on the first device, the content should begin appearing normally again. In many cases, this simple refresh process is enough to fix the content is not yet available error and restore access to the notebook pages. If the notebook still takes a moment to appear, be patient and let OneNote finish loading. Avoid clicking around too quickly because that can sometimes interrupt the refresh process. You can also check whether the notebook opens correctly in both the web and desktop versions just to confirm that the sync is now clean. So to recap, the main fix is to make sure the device has a strong internet connection, manually sync the notebook on the original device, wait for the green checkmark, close the notebook on the second device, and then reopen it from OneNote Web using Open in Desktop app. That sequence often resolves the issue and gets your content back online. If this tutorial helped you fix the OneNote error, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick software solutions, productivity tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.